Hi, this is Rich, and I just realized that my FTDX10 had a squelch. You have to turn it on. I sure appreciate you watching. If you could give me a thumbs up, I'd sure appreciate it. Let's go on over to the radio and I'll show you where to turn it on. On this, on 40 meters, I have a lot of static, a lot of noise. And I thought, well, let's find a station and be able to turn up the squelch, maybe between the QSOs. They won't have so much noise. But let me just show you what I'm talking about here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a squelch on. And when you put the squelch on, your RF, the outer knob here, will be your squelch adjustment. So we push the function and then hit operation settings. Did you notice this has RF squelch? And let's see, that's on RF. And there's the squelch. Okay, let's just go back. Back. Sorry. All right. So what you're going to do is you counterclock it full, not have any squelch at all. And you can turn this knob up a little bit. Where it's just above the noise. There. And the other stations are weak, so it's going below that area, or I can't hear them at all. So you don't have to listen to all that noise. Isn't that wonderful? And let's see if we can find another station using the squelch to adjust that as well. First of all, I'm going to find the noise. Look, I'm having an S9 noise. So I'm going to crank this up to just... Okay, anything below S9 I'm not going to hear because I cranked up the... So there you have it. Isn't that fun? Get that noise out in the background. And if the static's at S9 like it was on 80 meters, and you're going to have signals maybe below S9, but you probably won't hear them because of the noise. So why not just squelch it out? All right. Thanks again. If you give me a thumbs up, I sure appreciate it. Have a great day.